Join me as I take on the challenge of crushing this powerful chest workout and pushing my limits like never before. In this video you'll learn how to perform a powerful chest workout that transforms your upper body strength and aesthetics. Many people struggle to effectively target their chest muscles, leading to imbalanced development and lack of progress in their workouts. Another common issue is that people tend to focus too much on other muscle groups, neglecting the chest muscles that are crucial for overall strength and physique. This can lead to poor posture, shoulder instability, and even injuries. A well-developed chest is essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, as it provides a solid foundation for various lifts and movements. Moreover, a strong chest can greatly enhance one's overall confidence and self-esteem. Lastly, building a powerful chest requires patience, dedication, and a well-structured workout routine. We'll cover a variety of chest exercises including push-ups, bench presses, and chest flies, explaining proper form and common mistakes to avoid. Each exercise has its own unique benefits and challenges, and it's essential to understand how to execute them correctly to maximize gains and prevent injuries. For instance, push-ups are an excellent exercise for building chest endurance and strength, but if done incorrectly, they can put unnecessary strain on the shoulders and back. Similarly, bench presses are a great way to target the upper chest, but if not performed with proper form, they can lead to shoulder imbalances and injuries. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to perform each exercise effectively and safely. Proper form is crucial when it comes to chest exercises, as it ensures that you're targeting the right muscles and avoiding unnecessary strain on your joints. One common mistake people make is arching their backs during bench presses, which can lead to lower back strain and